Hey YouTube, in this video I'll be taking you on a journey through my most recent project where I've poured countless hours into crafting a dynamic and user-friendly application from scratch. I'll walk you through every single little detail, the challenges I face, and just sit back and relax and let's explore this project together. Alright, so as you can see, the project is what I call eLearn, which is an online learning management system made using Flask for backend functionality, MySQL for robust database management, and a blend of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for a seamless front-end experience. It is inspired by the functionalities of leading platforms such as Google Classroom, EDX, and my university's student management portal. So I've it's written about 2200 lines of code and took a really long time going through everything, debugging, and putting it all together. Alright, so to execute this project or to start it, I'm gonna enter the Flask run command and hit the enter button, and yeah, there we go. My project is now running on a local server. So here it is. This is what the user is greeted with when they log into this page. So here you have the navigation bar, home, about, courses, contact us, student login, and instructor login. So let's navigate through the sections of this web page then. Here you have about, where we have this mission statement, and then up next we have the courses tab. So this gives a live feed from the database where every single courses that are made by an instructor is shown on this page. And contact us page, and these are hyperlinks all to an email, to a phone number, or to send a text or an SMS to a valid phone number. So let's go and start off by logging in as an instructor. An instructor can register here by putting in the username, password, first name, last name, and email. Well, since I already have an account made, I'm just gonna log into the account. There we go. There is my name. I'm greeted, welcome John. And this is my dashboard, and where I have a calendar, and I can go into and navigate to other parts of the page, such as my courses, profile, or log out of the website. Let me head into my courses. Here I can see all my courses: NLP, software engineering, cryptocurrency, machine learning, and much others. I can manage enrollment here, like if student wants to enroll into my course which I made, I can get a join request. I can either accept it or deny it. And then we have the profile tab. I can change my password, my username, last name, first name, and email. And I can create a course. Alright, so let's create a course for now. Course name is Quantum Computing. And let's give it a course code of QC101. Introduction to Quantum Computing. So max number of students, I can set it to any number I want, where I can denote a number which can set a limit to how many students can join or enroll in my course. So for demo purposes, let's set it at 2. Okay, now I gotta select a course image where I can see my courses in a card format, just how I saw it in my courses earlier. Helps people to identify courses, and it looks all better altogether. So let's choose an image, quantum computing. Let's go PNG, create course. There we go. Let's go to my courses, and there we go. Quantum computing QC 101. So now let's view this course. I can even edit this course. I can change the name, change the picture, change how my students can come in, and pretty much a crude operation of it. So let's view this course. I can look into course details, announcements, discussions, assignments, and quizzes. So for announcements, these are made by the instructor, where a student and instructor will be able to comment on it. And discussion is where similar to announcements, but it's made or posted by a student, so they can discuss amongst each other. So let's upload a material now. You can choose a file, and then let's upload this MP4 video, which I downloaded from IBM Technology. Credits to them for this, and I can upload this. There we go. Now this comes under the course materials, where the students can browse through and learn about the course, and we can even upload PDFs as well. So let's click on this, and there we go.
Ideal quantum computer can break
I can make
the
this full screen as
encryption
well.
standards we use today
And
by finding
just scrub through the video,
which are like switches
pretty much what
that can be
a video player does. And I can delete it as well. So
or one.
let's head back.
This way of
Let's head to announcements, and let's create an announcement. Welcome to quantum computing. You will find the class materials. You will find the class materials. Sure. Let's create this announcement. Now I can edit this announcement or delete this announcement, and so on and so forth. Now let's head into assignments. I can create assignments for this course as well. So let's create an assignment. Let's say assignment 1. I can allot the marks for it. Let's say I want to give you 10 marks for this assignment, and give it a description. Let's say deadline is 20th of June 2024. Let's create this assignment, and let's go back there, view assignment, upload assignment. Now I'm going to choose assignment 1 right here. Let's upload this. There we go, view assignment. And I can view PDF here, which I just uploaded, which is basically my assignment question. So right here is assignment submissions, where if the student uploads their own copy of their assignments, it will pop up right here below. Let's head into the next part of the course, which is a quiz. Now I can create quizzes. Say quiz title is quiz 1, and the question is, let's think of a question. Alright, there we go. Now I can adjust this bar and make it more legible. So option 1 is superposition, entanglement, decoherence. Spell here and there. And what else? Let's think of something. Yep. Alright, so I'm going to click on the correct option here, which is option 1, and add this question. So what I'm going to do is, if I click on add a question, it adds another question. So let's add another question now. There we go. And add the options, entanglement, and superposition, teleportation. I'm going to click on the correct option here, which is option 2. Now I can delete questions as well, or I can choose to add another question, or if I'm done, I can just create the quiz now. There we go. Quiz is created. I can view the quiz details, and it shows which one of the it shows me the options and shows which one's the correct option. And if I go back, I can see student scores if they have attempted the quiz and all that. So if I head into discussion, I can see no discussions are available for this course yet because the students haven't created any discussion thread. And let's go here and let's head into my courses, and let's now go into the student side of this. Let's log out. Let's head into student. So we're to student 1. There you go. I'm created again, and I have a calendar here. I have a course catalog where it shows the courses that are available currently. And if I go into my courses, it shows the courses that I'm enrolled in. I can view a course, or I can unenroll from a course. And if I click on that, I get unenrolled. As easy as ever. So now let's head into catalog, and I can see seats remaining, 2 seats remaining out of, and this shows our live count, by the way. So let me click on enroll, and I can click on enroll in this course, and there we go. So let's log out and log in as an instructor. Now I'll be able to see enrollment requests. There we go. John Doe, course quantum computing. Now I can choose to accept or reject the student. So I'm going to accept the student. Now let's log out again and head to student. Let's log in as student 2 now. Oh, John again. Probably said every name as John. Alright, let's head into catalog, and okay, now we look. Seats remaining 1 by 2. One seat taken by the last student I enrolled as. So now let's try and enroll in this course. There we go. Now I'll log out. I log in as an instructor. Manage enrollments, John Wick, course quantum computing. I can accept or reject the student. Let's accept the student. Let's go. Now let's log in as student 3. Let's see what happens if we try to enroll when there are no seats remaining. There we go, 0 out of 2 remaining. Now let's try and enroll in this course. See, status. This course is currently full and not accepting any new enrollments. So let's log out. Let's head back in as instructor 1. My courses. Any enrollment requests? Nope. The system rejected a student because and didn't send a push update as the seats were full. This logic was implemented in the HTML code for that very template. So let's log out and log back in as student. So let's log in as student 2. And into catalog, my courses, introduction to quantum computing. Let's head in. What is quantum computing? I can watch the lecture.
Ideal quantum computer.
Scrub through. And let's go. Let's look at announcements. Welcome to quantum computing. You'll find the class material shortly. Posted by instructor 1, date, and time. Let's go. Let's add a comment. Looking forward to this course. Add comment. There we go. Now I can delete this comment as well. This is going to delete my comment. Let's just add it back again. Alright, now let's head into discussions. Now I can create discussions for this where it says, let's say, hi, I am new to this course. Just enrolled into this course today. This course seems interesting. Right now, I have created a discussion. Let's head into assignment. Oh, I already have an assignment. Deadline is 28th of June, 10 marks. Title assignment 1. And here's my assignment question. I can download this PDF or I can submit the solution. Since I have the solution ready, I can just submit, choose file, assignment 1 solution, and let's upload this. Now I can view the assignment or view my submission. If I view my submission, I can see that I don't have a score yet and I don't have a feedback provided yet, but I can see what I have submitted. This is what I submitted as my solution. Let's go back there and let's head into quiz. Alright, let's see, what is the term for the ability of a point obsession to exist in multiple states? Alright, so it's superposition and here it's entanglement. Just for testing purpose, let's select one wrong option and one correct option and submit the quiz. Now, after clicking on submit quiz, I can view the score. My score is 1 out of 2. Your answer option is 2, but the correct answer was option 1. Now I'm pretty much done here. Now let's go log out, log in as student 1. My courses, quantum computing. Now I'm going to head into discussion, using scores. Hey, I can contribute to this discussion thread as well by saying, hey, I'm new here as well. Scores seems very interesting so far. There we go, add that comment there, and I can delete the comment as well. Set it to announcements. I can see the announcement. I am scores seems quite interesting. There we go, add that comment in as well. Now head into assignment, view assignment. Here I can submit the solution as well. Let's submit the solution. And let's see. I can view my submission. No score yet, no feedback yet. Let's head into quiz and view quiz and choose the correct options here now this time. Alright, now let's log out. Let's go head back in as an instructor. See how my students are performing. View course. Let me look at announcements. There we go. I can see what my students are talking about. Wow, they're looking forward to this course, and John Doe finds it quite interesting. And I can add a comment as well. Looking forward to teaching you. So let's head into discussions posted by student 2, which is basically the ID of the student or the username of the student that they used to log in. Just enrolled into this course today. This course seems interesting. And I can see comment made by John Doe as well. So let's add an instructor comment. Let's see. What can we add? Looking forward to teaching you all. Let's add this comment. Alright, now let's head into assignments and see how my students are performing. There we go. View assignments. And let's see. There we go. John Wick submissions. And this is John Wick's answer or solution. No marks yet, no feedback yet. Now I can assign marks and feedback right here. It's out of 10. Let me give John Wick a 10 and give him feedback. Says, well done, keep up the good performance. Alright, now I can assign the marks, and let's head back into assignment, view assignment, and view a submission again. There we go, marks updated, feedback updated, and if I do this again, it gets updated if I wish to change the marks or change the feedback. So let's head into quiz, see the quiz scores. Student 2 scored 1 out of 2, student 1 update scored 2, which is these are just the usernames that the student uses to log in. Alright, so that's pretty much it here. Now I can log back out, go to student 1 update, let's log in, my courses, quantum computing. Let's look at my assignment. I want to see how much I scored, what feedback did I get. Okay, I didn't give feedback to this student yet. Hold on, I got log account, student 2, my bad. Alright, let's go. Assignment, yeah, view my submission. Alright, there it is, score 10 out of 10, well done, keep up the good performance. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So what was one of the toughest things for me in this project? That would be handling file submissions. It was a bit tedious to work with, getting the directory path wrong and files going missing and all that, but could handle it, no biggie in the end. Let's log out, and that's pretty much it for this project. Thank you for watching. So why did I choose Flask? I mean, I could have chosen Django or the other stacks as well, such as Mern and all that. I chose Flask as it's a pretty neat and lightweight framework. There's no fixed pattern to it, there's no fixed way of coding, whereas Django is very picky about where you store the URLs, where you store the app routing and all that. But with Flask, it's pretty much it builds itself as you go. There's no fixed pattern to it on how you have to write your codes, where you have to place your models or the views or anything. It could all be in one single app.py, or you could organize it. Pretty much you can just go at your own pace and figure it out as you build your project. So that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed looking at this, and if you have any queries, you can reach me at the email I have provided in the description. And thank you for listening.